Kula. This is a leniency in Jewish law. It's the opposite of chumrah, which was a stringency. Lashon hara, or lashon hara. Lashon means tongue. Hara means evil, the evil tongue. When someone speaks disparagingly about other people or leads other people to think negatively about somebody through their speech, this is considered lashon hara, and we should stay away from that. Again, I'm getting sleepy. Time to go to bed. Laila tov. Good night. Laning. The Yiddish word for reading from the Torah. Laning. Ma'ariv, or Ma'ariv. The daily evening prayers, from the Hebrew root erev, which means evening. Mechitza, or mechitza. This is the partition that one may find in traditional synagogues that separates between the men's and the women's sections. Mechitza comes from the word chetzi, which means half. Mincha. These are the daily afternoon prayers. Minhag, or minhag. Custom. These are the practices that developed in many Jewish communities over the many years of Jewish history. Minyan, traditionally a gathering of 10 men required for services and ceremonies. Let's go to Minyan. Mishpacha, or mishpacha, family. We are all one big family. When you're doing a commandment of Hashem, you're doing a Parashat HaShavua. This is the weekly Torah portion, parasha portion, Hashavua, of the week, that's read in the synagogue on Mondays, Thursdays, and Shabbat.
Refuah Shalema.
Thank you. May you have a full recovery. Refuah, recovery, shlema, full. Shmooze. This is the Yiddish word for friendly chatting. It's been wonderful schmoozing with you over this time.